Mohori Bibee v. Dharmodas Ghose, 1903. Topic: Capacity to contract. Mohori Bibee v. Dharmodas Ghose, 1903, is a landmark case under the Indian Contract Act, 1872, which deals with the capacity of a minor to enter into a contract. This case laid down the fundamental principle that a minor is not competent to contract, and any agreement made with a minor is void from the very beginning. The decision of the Privy Council in this case has become the cornerstone of contract law in India and is frequently cited while discussing capacity to contract under Section 11 of the Act. Facts: Dharmodas Ghose, the respondent in this case, was a minor at the time of entering into the contract. He mortgaged his immovable property in favor of Mohori Bibee, a moneylender, to secure a loan. At the time of executing the mortgage deed, the moneylender was aware that Dharmodas Ghose was a minor. Later, Dharmodas Ghose filed a suit seeking cancellation of the mortgage on the ground that he was a minor and therefore not competent to contract. The moneylender argued that the minor had misrepresented his age and that the mortgage should be enforced, or at least the money advanced should be recovered. Issues before the court. Mohori Bibee v. Dharmodas Ghose, 1903. The main issues before the Privy Council were: whether a contract entered into by a minor is valid and enforceable under the Indian Contract Act, 1872, whether a minor who has obtained money under a contract can be made liable to repay the amount or can be estopped from pleading minority. These issues required the court to decide the legal effect of agreements made with minors and the applicability of the doctrine of estoppel against a minor. Judgment. The Privy Council held that a contract entered into by a minor is absolutely void ab initio, under the Indian Contract Act, 1872. Since a minor is not competent to contract under Section 11, no legal obligation can arise from such an agreement. The court further held that the doctrine of estoppel does not apply against a minor. Even if a minor misrepresents his age, he cannot be prevented from pleading minority. The money advanced to the minor cannot be recovered under the contract. Accordingly, the mortgage executed by the minor was declared void and unenforceable, and the claim of the moneylender was rejected. Conclusion. In conclusion, the decision in Mohori Bibee v. Dharmodas Ghose firmly established that a minor has no capacity to contract under the Indian Contract Act, 1872. Any agreement entered into by a minor is void ab initio and has no legal effect from the very beginning. The judgment also clarified that the doctrine of estoppel cannot be applied against a minor, even if the minor has misrepresented his age. This landmark case provides strong legal protection to minors and remains a cornerstone authority on the law relating to capacity to contract, making it highly significant for LLB examinations.